PTE Academic Listening Multiple Choice, choose multiple answers. In this section of the PTE Academic Listening Test, you will listen to an audio and respond to a multiple choice question that requires selecting more than one correct answer. It's increasingly evident that the earliest water wheels, those ingenious marvels of engineering, had a profound impact on the Industrial Revolution. These ancient machines, initially designed for irrigation and grinding grain, were instrumental in transforming the way society harnessed the power of flowing water for various purposes. Water wheels, as we know them, originated from the simple, yet effective concept of harnessing the kinetic energy of a flowing stream or river. These early water wheels were quite versatile, designed to perform a range of tasks. They initially provided a means to grind grain, serving as vital flour mills in rural communities. Additionally, water wheels were adapted for other essential domestic chores, including drawing water from wells and even sawing wood. A significant shift occurred when water wheels began powering industrial machinery during the Industrial Revolution. This transformation saw the development of more specialized water wheels, designed to generate mechanical power that could operate mills, textile factories, and other manufacturing processes. By replacing human and animal labor with hydropower, these water wheels became the driving force behind the technological leaps of the 18th and 19th centuries. The core principle remained unaltered, with water wheels consisting of large wooden or metal blades attached to a central axle. The flowing water's energy was harnessed as it turned the wheel, which, in turn, powered various mechanical systems. The design of water wheels persisted largely unchanged for centuries, with incremental improvements and adaptations as technology advanced. Eventually, they were replaced by more efficient hydroelectric turbines in the late 19th and early 20th centuries, marking the end of an era for these ingenious machines.
It's becoming evident that the oldest bicycles were in reality modified from existing machines used for grinding grain or transporting goods, and repurposed for cycling. Larger wooden wagons, like those employed to carry heavy loads or harvest crops, referred to as cargo carts, had been in existence for generations, but were impractical for cycling due to their bulk and the need for significant effort. Most early bicycles operated on the basic principle of forward motion driven by leg power, connected by a chain to a rotating wheel which eventually evolved into pedals. Historical records confirm that these early bicycles were still in regular use in the 19th century, and the core design remained relatively altered until the late 1800s when metal bicycles came into prominence.
Now, let's look at the answers. Question 1. There are 3 correct answers for this exercise. First is water wheels were used for domestic tasks such as drawing water from wells and sawing wood. This statement is true because the passage mentions that in addition to grinding grain, water wheels were adapted for other essential domestic chores, including drawing water from wells and sawing wood. Second is water wheels played a crucial role in powering industrial machinery during the Industrial Revolution. This statement is true because the passage highlights that water wheels underwent a significant transformation during the Industrial Revolution when they began to power industrial machinery, including mills, textile factories, and other manufacturing processes. This role in industrialization was indeed a crucial one. Third is the design of water wheels remained largely unchanged throughout their history. This statement is true because the passage mentions that the core principle of water wheels remained unaltered for centuries, with only incremental improvements and adaptations as technology advanced. It wasn't until the late 19th and early 20th centuries that they were replaced by more efficient hydroelectric turbines, marking the end of the era for traditional water wheels. Question 2. There are 2 correct answers for this exercise. First is early bicycles were primarily derived from cargo carts. This statement is correct because the passage mentions that early bicycles were modified from existing machines used for grinding grain or transporting goods, which included larger wooden wagons referred to as cargo carts. Second is the use of metal bicycles became prominent in the late 1800s. This statement is correct because the passage mentions that metal bicycles came into prominence in the late 1800s, marking a significant shift in bicycle construction. Thank you for watching. If you're looking for more PTE listening exercises, don't forget to explore our other videos.